right, it's got CDs, or a CD, looks like rack mounting screws, some styrofoam, and this has the rack mount plates here. So if you ever wanted to rack mount this thing, you could do that. There's the amp. I got the black model because this is for my home theater and everything's black. My receiver's black and so are the speakers, so. There's the power amp. Let's take it out. Then there's the power cable and the trigger switch cable. It's like a solid 3-prong outlet plug. There's the power amp. Those are the connections in the back. There's a power button in the front. And I'll take off the corner sticky tape when it's installed. So I'm gonna go see how this sounds. Thank you. Okay, I'm getting a little lazier with the microphone setup, so I'm using the iPhone microphone this time. But I just want you to hear, and I want to hear what the difference is between, I have two Fosi Audio HD-A1 power amplifiers plugged into my Polk Audio TSI 300s towers, and I'm going to play one song a little through, and then I'm going to plug in the Rotel RB 1582 and see how that sounds in comparison. So here is the original setup. Okay, now this is the test with the RB 1582.